goes under your feet, it's okay, but don't hit it.
Whoever scores first wins.
Yeah. Twice. Yeah.
Alright, I want you to see this, how small this thing is. This is actually a microphone speaker, alright? Now, volume controls here. Bluetooth, because you could actually add your own music too. It's enabled here if you want. Look at this. This is the actual speaker that you set up, and it does have a wireless test. Your synchronization. It has a magnetic. As soon as I took it out, let's put the volume up, and then test. There's a power button here. All right. We'll test it out with the power button. Hold the power button once, and there it is. Test. Now, this thing is loud. And I'm standing about maybe 3 feet, because if I turn it down, let me turn it down. All right. So I turn it down enough where it won't echo too much. But this thing is powerful. Just in time too, because you can clip this on your belt. So if you're doing a tour or you want people to actually hear you, this is perfect. It does have a percentage of how much percent you have left in the battery, volume control, and of course, you got the Bluetooth. So this thing is loud. And I forgot to mention the side of it. There's 2 auxiliary port and a microphone. So you don't have to use this. This is incredible. Now, you're able to walk away almost over 50 feet away from the system before it starts losing its actually reception. But overall, really good. So I'm going to tell you how I use it for. I actually had Thanksgiving and many people over that I need to give instructions to some of the games that we play. So let me show you some of the footage, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Let's go do this, right? So, listen, you guys have to send the balls on that side, alright? Those goals. Your team is responsible to pick up the balls. Your team is sending on that side, on either corner.
The other side.
Alright?
Can they only pick up like the balls we make
Little,
or
you're on
any
this
balls
side.
that go in?
No, the ones that they make in the corner.
If I make one in, can they don't get it, or does she make one in, can they get it?
No, Little has to go over here.
Their team has to work to get their own balls.
Okay.
If you don't want to work for them.
Yeah, anyone.
No. You guys have to make it in this corner. This corner.